So I'm Larry Smarr. I was a professor of physics and astronomy at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign for 20 years. 15 of those, I was the founding director of the National Center for Supercomputing Applications. I had been using supercomputers since the early mid-1970s, but to do that, I had to get a top-secret nuclear weapons clearance and go to live among the cracks in Livermore and Los Alamos as a summer physicist. Then I found out that Germany had an open scientific research facility at the Max Planck Institute for Physics and Astrophysics, and I went there. And at that time I began to realize, what is wrong with the United States? We make the supercomputers. Why aren't they available to all of our university users? And so it was really the idea of bringing an incredibly important technology out of the defense world and into the civilian sector that drove me to write the proposal. There's no other university in the country that was better poised to house a national supercomputer center than the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. When we started the Supercomputer Center program, there might have been a couple of hundred researchers in the United States university system that were using a supercomputer. 5 years later, there were 50,000. A lot of those were graduate students, postdocs, and that created a trained manpower pool for the whole country. It drove corporations to begin to get supercomputers because they had people coming from the universities that could use them. And that created whole new opportunities for many of the private sector companies.